Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and Luke is here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the brake pads and rotors on a 2017 Lexus RX350. It's only 4 bolts you need to remove. So first you have to you can pry out pry in the piston if you can, as you can see right here as I am doing it. Then you're gonna remove one caliper bolt, and you see why. It's typically I do this all the time. Sometimes you can't do it, but most of the time you can do it, about 80%. So what you do, you get flip it up. And the reason I'm doing this because I remove one caliper bolt is less time. You don't have to remove 2 of them if you can. Then next step is pretty easy. Just take the brake pads out. Majority I use the pry bar. Pry bar is your friend, so use it when you're doing a brake job. Then next you gonna press in the piston, the caliper piston I mean. There you go. So if you need the tool, I will provide a link down in the description for you guys to buy this kind of tool right here, like piston tool and all kind of goodie stuff for the brakes. So I also checked the slider pin, so the slider pin is good. So if your slider pin don't move like freely, so you need to take it out and clean it and put in some silicone brake lube. Do not use anti-seize. The word of warning: do not use anti-seize. Okay. And here, removing a caliper without any hammer, as you can see right there. So this one is this rotor provide a two you can put a nut on. So just I think it was I don't know what's thread pitch, I forgot. So but anyway, use that if you can to avoid all the hammering stuff. It's kind of loud and kind of annoying. So if you find this videos useful so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will leave a link in the description for you guys have any question or any kind of concerning about your car or any kind of source stuff I mean. And I also do a live training, so please check the link down in the description. You can ask any question that you might have regarding your car, or for technician, or having difficulty with repair or diagnostic. This brake pad, it doesn't come with the brake hardware. I don't know why, because some of them do, some of them don't. So I have to save the old hardware to use it. I usually do this on the bench or any kind. Do not put a brake caliper on the brake bracket on first, then you're gonna put a brake pads on. It's kind of difficult to do it. In this case, you want to do it outside So you put your brake caliper, brake pads on the brake bracket. It's much easier, so save you times again. So as I mentioned before, there's only 4 bolts. So once you put your 2 caliper bracket bolts on, just zip it and just make sure your gun setting at the second lowest setting, or third setting, so that's not over torque the caliper bolt, or you might break it. And next you put a silicone brake loops on outside the pads, and you're gonna smears it around. So for the reason being, because it's metal to metal contact, so the brake silicone act as a lubricant, so it don't make a lot of noise when you step on the brakes. So once the metal with metal contacts, it will make a lot of noise. So the brake silicone act as a cushioner, if you want to say it that way. Then I'm gonna put 2 clips. So I don't know what's that's clips for, but it helps I think it's prevent the pads locking onto the rotors. So once you put it on, then you can put the caliper bolts on, and that's it. There's only 4 bolts to get your brake caliper done. Alright, thanks guys for watching. I will see you next time. Luke is out, and don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the like button for me. Thank you. Bye for now.